Starting it off with a new coin today, Myro. And before we get started, as usual, please, if you like these videos, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, leave a comment, press the thumbs up, all those good stuff to help the algorithm share this with other like-minded individuals. I greatly appreciate it. If you haven't already and you would like to trade with me after these videos, feel free to join the Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps the channel grow. So thank you so much. We are starting it off once again on weekly time frame for Myro. It's an altcoin, some dog pictures stuff. Looks cool. We do have a previous video. There was a bunch of doodles that I deleted previous, and it was looking for that down and up, and we already got it, so I just deleted it. When I turn on my drawings, you'll see two fibs. One of the old fibs from the old video, which I will delete in your face, and then I will show you the new fib of the most recent consolidational pull that we're looking to see if it's going to hold for upside continuation. Well, all that aside, as you see on weekly, up, down, up, down, up, down, all higher lows, upward continuation, upward trend, all that good stuff. You do see this head and shoulder here. Just be aware that that is a head and shoulder clear as day on bearish divergence volume, with RSI showing you bearish divergence. As you're getting higher, higher, you're putting in lower highs. That's bearish divergence, okay? Meaning the strength of the move up is weaker than the strength of this move here. That's why RSI is higher here to here, and that's bearish divergence, which is playing out right now, okay? So all that aside, let's go now to the fibs and start analyzing with Doodle TA. Here are the two fibs I have. I have one that's showing you that this is the support, the previous support, and then this was the target. Now this has become the support because it was resistance where you rejected. Now it was resistance again, and then you tested it, and now it's support. You see, you're holding above it, flipped into resistance. Okay, you couldn't get above, grinded the area to confirm that 15 cents is good, decent long-term support, and now you got that upward push into the 3 red. Okay, that's what happens after you lose blue and green. You go to the next level, and then the next level after that, three lines each, colored for your convenience. And we couldn't get into the white and hold it. We actually went right into where we expected our resistance from 15 cents to 40 to 50. And now we're pulling back down right into support. So same thing that happened here. Okay, you touched blue-green, rejected, test golden line, and went right back to blue-green, claimed it. You are basically doing that now. Here's your golden. You tested the blue-green. You're coming back to the golden, grinding out the golden, confirming golden, and then eventually you will get back up there. So what am I going to do now? I'm going to delete these fibs. No longer needed. Now you can see this is what we're looking at. If support gets tested, there's your buying opportunity. Once this support is confirmed, upside continuation. Now, Doodle TA wise, I know everyone sees this. You do have that risk, okay? That is what trading is. Calculated probabilities. The probability of this breaking down is there, guys. Now, are we going to go to negative numbers or half a penny? It's possible, man. It's possible. So you should have this as a worst case scenario situation is possible. I would have already stopped out of my long at the 7.5 cent, and that's why we have the fibs. I'm an idiot. I'm not here to calculate, oh, this percent, blah, 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 blah. No, I'm letting the Fibonacci do it for me, because I'm not that guy that's going to be able to like rattle off percentages off the top of his head. It's not going to work. From the high, it's like 50% retrace. That's actually pretty bullish as long as it's not more than 50. And I'm going to remove this head and shoulder. I just wanted to visually give you that example. Now what we can do is kind of like, okay, we see we're in an uptrend, right? It's a clear uptrend. Let's go like that. Get the tops. Cool. Okay. Now you can see that, hey, in this uptrend, here was the midline of the channel where we got resistance, right? Here's the bottom of the channel, which is like a long scalp opportunity on a descending channel. Okay, this is ascending, right? This is not how I would like to take my long. I would like it on a descending channel, like that. So technically, this is the bearish possibility. This is the bullish possibility. Cool, everything is set, and that's how I'm looking at this. Now, in this little thing I just drew, you just gave yourself a consolidational pattern, going like, hey, if you lose this thing, the measured move is right here to the bottom of the channel midline, right? If you hold this, the move is right here, right to your fib area that we've already tested. So that's as simple as I can make it. Even if you come down here, it's a potential inverse head and shoulder buying opportunity to go sweep right back up there. It's not that it's going to go there and die. It's going to give the encouragement for people in cash to buy it on the bottom, because why would they buy it over here and there and random? There has to be some logic behind their entry, right? So the more risk to reward, or more reward to risk, is on the bottom. Right now it's kind of 50-50. Like I said, it's a 50% retrace. Now how can we clear up this a little bit more for us? Well, let's go a little bit higher time frame. Let me turn this off. And this is probably going to be the most bullish thing I can tell you. As you are up and grinding the bottom, like this is your pullback at this point, and you're kind of holding the point of control over here around 22 cents. That's kind of where the resistance is 22 cents. The support is around 15 cents, as we said earlier with the golden pocket. On monthly, this is your selling volume. Like, it is very, very lackluster. Last month we had decent buy. This month, if the selling is not as heavily as last month, you will probably get a green impulse in July. Okay, so this month you kind of have to, what I would say is DCA. You know, have your plan to dollar cost average into your entry, into your position, and then be aware that you're going to be doing defense the whole month of downside. But on daily, okay, you can see we're already oversold, and we're already showing a little bit of bullish divergence. And if you turn on all the indicators again, you can see what's going on is they're coming to test into support. Not coming into the golden pocket is the ideal, but coming into the golden pocket is fine. But not doing that and making the higher low is the best long thing that I would like. Here's your inverse shoulder, your head, your Quasimodo, okay? And then look at the neckline. How ironic is the neckline of the inverse head and shoulder, the top of your channel. So all the doodles are all 100% okay to show you the confluence of all the other channels and stuff, all the TA. Then I'm giving you like the doodle TA, right? Doodle TA is just so you can see visually what I'm trying to explain to you. But without doodle TA, you can see the channel, you can see the consolidational patterns. This is stuff I can see blindly, but I'm just doodling it so you can see an example of what I'm expecting price action wise. So I'm going to delete all this nonsense. I mean, I'm going to leave this here. No, we don't even need this here. If you watch my videos, you understand gold is where you buy, and green and blue is where you sell, or green and blue is where you short, and you close your trade on the gold kind of situation. So I'm going to leave it like this, just so you guys see how simple looking at Myro is. If you want to go even more simpler, here's low, higher, low, higher, low, higher low, a higher low, higher, higher. Maybe this is a higher low. This could be a higher low. This could be a higher low, and just get, the only headache will be right here that I foresee because of this. The liquidity of the shorts that has to be stepped up, right? Aside from this, if we fight this and pass, the next three levels is where I'm looking at. This white doodle all the way up here is not bullshit. This is actual TA. Yes, 62, 72, 81 cents. It's all the area that I expect the next resistance to be at. So if you think this coin is down and out, show me the bearishness. You know, I understand you got a little bit of selling pressure over here, but this is just a few weeks, man. If anything, this thing can really surprise you because as the sellers get exhausted, one market buyer stepping in with a decent buy is going to eat the entire order book of sells, and you'll see the impulse candle. So let's see what happens. Feel free to go look at the old video. I'll leave all this here for you guys to enjoy for the next video when we follow up on this. And if you are interested in that follow-up, please make sure you leave a comment in the section below. And if there's another video you would like a follow-up on, let me know in the comment section below and I'll make it in the next video. Aside from that, guys, please, please, please don't forget, subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 1,000. Please leave a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications so that way you get these videos as they come out. And then if you are interested in trading with me live, feel free to join the Discord server. Link to the servers in the description of this video below, alongside all the affiliate services and stuff that I recommend that helps the channel grow. So thank you so much, and I appreciate your time, guys. Have a great weekend. See you Monday.